Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and then see how good the microphone sound is going to be. So let's go ahead, start with the test and then talk more about it. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike without a helmet. Don't do that, it's illegal. I mean, 100% illegal. Just for testing purpose, I'm riding for a shot. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike without a helmet. And in this scenario, there's a lot of wind that will be hitting the mic. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough. The wind sound, the rustling sound is not too much, and the background sound is audible. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor open. So this is the open face helmet scenario. In this scenario, there would be a lot of wind sound and background sound, but that will not be reaching you much because the mic is inside the helmet. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor closed. So this is a closed helmet scenario. In this scenario, there won't be much of background sound, wind sound and all, but your sound might echo. So when your sound echoes inside the helmet, there's a lot of disturbance created. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the waterproofing test now. So I'm outside, season small again, lot of water, 70 water fountains. So hopefully you are able to hear my sound well and the water sound is not too overpowering. The blue light is actually quite blue. Doing its job. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am in between Season Small and Amnora Mall. There's a lot of traffic here. Hopefully you can hear me well and the traffic sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in the mall. So we are doing the people sound test now. A lot of people, children, a lot of sounds from the machines, the TV running, there's IPL or something going on. So a lot of sound around me. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience with this. So, no matter what scenario I used it in, my sound was audible. You were able to hear me well. The only place where you would feel a little bit of disturbance is without the helmet scenario, where the wind was hitting it. There was slight rustling in that. And in the closed helmet scenario, there was slight disturbance, but not much of echo. So, for 3,000 rupees, the mic performance is actually quite good. So I've used a lot of expensive earphones. I actually have all the expensive earbuds, the AirPods Pro 2s, the OnePlus is also the new latest Pro series, even the Jabra ones and all of them. And they don't perform that good with microphone. They're good with sound quality, but they're not good with microphone sound quality. Here, the sound quality was actually very good. It outperformed a lot of expensive earphones. So, this earphone, I have to say, OnePlus has done something really good with this. The previous one was good too. The Nord Buds were good too, but this is even better. The algorithm has changed. The noise cancellation in this is excellent for phone calls. Now, if I talk about music sound quality, they have improved on that too. So the buds did not have much of equalizer option. You had an equalizer, but you did not have the new feature with the new AirPod. So the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 has, which is that extra bass option, and all of that has been added now. There is noise cancelling option, active noise cancelling option. Everything can be controlled from here. So in a budget, you are getting a lot of things. So this is going to be a all-rounder. Music sound quality, excellent. The bass is phenomenal. The fit is really good. It's really lightweight, so you can use it in the gym. You can use it for regular usage, whatever. So I will be talking about all of that in the full review. This is just a mic sound test video, so I'm just talking about the mic. So excellent mic. You heard the video when you've seen the video and heard the sound. So you can decide for yourself if you like it or not. The entire sound in this video has come from the mic on the buds. So in any truly wireless earbud scenario, the mic is only used on one side. That's why this is the pro tip. That's why you will see one of your earbud when if you're taking a lot of phone calls, one of your earbud battery goes down faster than the other one. That's mainly because of this reason, because the mic is being used on that one. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.